Hello everyone, my name is Nano and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube part 5 actually, on OLL part 3. So in this video I'm going to cover 18 cases. 18 cases. Looks ridiculous, but 4 of them I should mention in the previous video, but I forgot, so I'm gonna mention in this video. So the first case here is it's this one where you have the U kind of thing like this, but this piece faces left and this piece faces right, and I'm gonna write the algorithms down at the top right, and the algorithm goes like this. Okay, the next one's a bit easier, which is like this, where you have the C again, the U or the C, whatever. Okay, but this time we have this 1x3 block down at the right, and this is how you do it. And next case is a pretty easy one. It's the T, both 1x2 bars, and you do this. And next one, which is like this with the T again, but if you look at the left, on the left you'll see a pair of headlights and no 1x2 bars, and you do like this. Next case, it is like this, where you have this little L and a pair of headlights on the right, but no headlights on the left. No bars actually, but there's a 1x2 bar at the front, and you do it like this, and all are solved. Next case is the mirror of that one, where you have the L like this with headlights on the left and 1x2 bars and a 1x2 bar at the front, and you do this. All solved. And the next one, I'm gonna split the algorithms into parts because I want to. Haha. Wait. Really? Okay. Wait. What? Did I just mess something up? Okay, let me solve it. So let me do the algorithm. Did I do something wrong or something? Let me check. It is this one. Oh. Okay. I wrote something wrong, but I fixed it. Okay. Let's So it's this case where you have the L right here with 1 by 3 bar on the right and 1 by 2 bar at the back. And here's the algorithm. Next one is kind of similar to that. Which is like this, where you have the L, but with 1 by 2 bar at the front and 1 by 3 bar at the right. And you do this. Wait. Let me do it again. Failed. Okay. Next one is this one where you have the L again. Lots of L's, but with headlights on the left and 1 by 3 bar at the right. Yeah. Okay, so you do this. Lots of fails today. And next one, it is, well, like this, where you have the L, but with headlights on the front and 1 by 3 bar at the back. This is the last L case. Many L's. So the L is this. And all solved. Go on to other cases. So we have this. The square shape like this, but with 1 by 2 bars at the front and right, and this one points to the left, and the algorithm is this, and all are solved. This case is the mirror of that case, where this piece is pointing the right, 1 by 2 bars and 1 by 2 bars, and you do this, and all are solved. And the next two cases are the reverse of those two cases. So this case, we have the Z right here, and we have 1 by 2 bars at the front and right, and the L is this, and all are solved. Next one is this one, where you have the Z, and you have 1 by 2 bars at the front and left, and you do this, and all are solved. Next two are similar, but not exactly the same. Like this. Yeah. Where you have the Z, but with only 1 by 2 bars at the right, pointing back. And you do like this. Next one is the mirror of that case, but you do a totally different algorithm. Wait, I just messed up something. I'm gonna solve it real quick. Looks like we have this case. Okay, so it's like this. We have the Z in the back and the 1 by 2 bars at the front pointing to the left, and you do this, and OLL solved. 2 more cases, which are this case. We have the kind of fish looking shape, but with 1x2 bars at the front. And the algorithm is this. The last case of all. Finally, last case. Which is this. Where you have the fish kind of case like this, but the headlights are in the back. No, the bars are in the back. And this is the algorithm. And that's pretty much it for this video. A lot of fails today, but it's good, it's good. Okay, so outro time. Okay, if you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube too, just share this video. If you want to keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. And if you want to like the video, just go ahead. And see you in the next video. Good luck, everybody. And bye.